What is inheritance? Inheritance is the key concept in object-oriented programming that allows a class to inherit attributes and methods from another class. This promotes code reusability, better organization, and scalability. Inheritance allows a class, child class, to inherit fields and methods from another class, parent class. The parent class is also called the superclass. The child class is also known as the subclass. Benefits of inheritance. 1. Code reusability. Define common attributes and behaviors in the superclass and let subclasses inherit them. 2. Extend functionality. Add specialized attributes or methods in subclass without modifying the superclass. 3. Better organization. Create a structured hierarchy for related classes. Example, inheriting shape properties. Let's start with a general shape class and create specific shape subclasses like rectangle and circle. Here in this example, the superclass, shape defines a common property color and a method display color. Subclass, rectangle inherits color and display color from shape and defines additional properties, length, width, and a method getArea. Thank you for watching. Let's meet the next session.